You're thinking about making a move to Scottsdale, Arizona, but you're not sure where to live? Well, in this video, I'm going to take you to a few different neighborhoods, show you a few different homes with different price points so you can see what may fit your budget. And we're getting after it right now. In this video, I'm going to take you to Central Phoenix and show you all about the wonderful parts of living in Central Phoenix. If this is your first time to the channel and you want to know everything there is to know about living in the Scottsdale and the Phoenix Valley, make sure you subscribe and hit that bell for notifications so you can be the first to know all about the Phoenix and Scottsdale market. My name is Gina and I'm with Relocating with Scottsdale. Every day we get calls from people just like you, so whether you're making a move in 9 days or 9 months, make sure you reach out as all of my contact info is in that box below. I would love to help you make a smooth move to Scottsdale and the Phoenix Valley. So we are about to walk up onto our first home here in Central Phoenix. This home is 3 bedroom, 2 bath, 1839 square feet, built in 1959. This home is listed at $650. We are right off Northern and 7th Street. So the only negative thing that I see about this home is that you are the corner lot. Usually corner lots have larger space in the backyard. The lot square footage here is 10,406, but you do have the noise from the main street. So usually in the backyard, it's always good if you maybe put like a water feature or something to kind of help drown that out. Northern is pretty busy, but obviously you're going to have quieter times later in the evenings and then earlier in the morning. I love Central Phoenix because all the homes have character. They are not all the same. They look different, but it's just such a cute little neighborhood here, and I can't wait to show you around because you'll kind of see all the uniqueness of each of the homes. This home does have a pool, which is amazing. You know, living in Arizona, you either love it or you hate it, but this one has a pool. And the awesome part about this and the homes we're going to see today is there's no HOA on any of these homes, you know, which is good or bad, preferably each person, again, love them or hate them. But this one is such a cutie pie, and it has remodeled. As you can tell, they have that modernized look here, but has a lot of character. And this one does have a 2-car garage, which is awesome. Some of the homes in Central Phoenix only have carports. So again, when you're finding that garage option, you are winning, basically. So let's go take a look at the next home. Okay, so we are walking up on our second home here in Central Phoenix. This one is super cute, has an Art Deco vibe, recently updated and remodeled, and you will see this really cute design that they have made here. This one is a 4 bedroom, 3 bath. We're listed at about $749. It was built in 1953, but again, recently remodeled. No pool on this one, and you do have parking for 4 spaces. So you have the garage, but then you have the covered carport, so you can tandem park on this one. You do have about an 8,000 square foot lot, so some space back there. No HOA on this one. They recently remodeled, so they're saying it's entertainer's delight. Issue on this one is we are right on Northern Avenue. This is light traffic right now that you hear, and it gets really busy during the work hours. So you will have that main traffic, so maybe coming in and out of your driveway is going to be a little bit of a pain in the butt. But as you can tell, all these homes here at Central Phoenix, especially when they're being remodeled, super cute. I just am not sure how you're going to like being on the main street. We are very close to the 51 though, so you do have close freeway access. Central Phoenix is really great because very diverse area, and you do have a mix of like older homes, but then You do have like older, decent priced homes. Then you do have large homes. So like across the street, we have, you can tell it's maybe a newer build, but that home looks huge. So you have kind of like large estates mixed in with smaller estates. So it's a really good mix. And there's cute little sections of Central Phoenix that you could tell are older and maybe like older money at one point, but then have been just well maintained. So I just love the mix of Central Phoenix. I love that there's like, you have your large grass area. You know, it gives you more greenage, doesn't feel like living in a desert. And I kind of just love that feel and the vibe of it over here. I always kind of say a little bit of Central Phoenix reminds me of California. So I think that's why I like it over here. And there's always people riding, biking, out and about when it's not too hot out. And you do have hiking trails very close to here. So you have Dreamy Draw. So if that's something you're into, you do have the ability to go. And then a lot of the homes in Central Phoenix, you're gonna have some mountain views, which a lot of people love. So let's go check out the next house. Okay, so last but not least, we are heading to our third home here in Central Phoenix. Finally, one that is not on the main road. You are off 16th Street in Ocotillo in this area. This home has been recently remodeled. You do have a lot of modern touches, but this one is gorgeous. We are at 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, about almost 1,900 square feet. You do have a large lot at 9,500, listed at 829 right now, which I think is a great price. This one was built in 1966, but like I said, recently remodeled. You have a large open floor plan. This one does have a pool as well, and the backyard is beautiful for entertaining. You do have an RV gate, so if you do have any toys, you have the option to load that up in there. This one's turnkey, so you move in, you don't have to do anything. Everything is all set and ready for you. I like this one because we are in, like I said, off from the main road, so it's a very quiet neighborhood. In this neighborhood, you do kind of have a mix of single family homes, and then up the street you have like a gated small community with recently built, like new build homes. Those ones are 2 stories. So again, Central Phoenix, they're gonna have a big mix of styles of homes that you're gonna find. What I love about Central Phoenix is that they have a few different farmers markets. So it's really great to go there on the weekends. They usually start that here in a few weeks when fall happens, and then they kind of shut it off during summer just because it's so hot. Another awesome thing about Central Phoenix, obviously you are centrally located. So you have access to the freeways, you have access to Scottsdale, you're super close to the Biltmore area, you're very close to downtown Phoenix. I mean, it's very central in where it's located, so it's a cute, great place to live if you're needing to be kind of a central location. And like I said, you're going to see a different kind of style and vibe on the homes here. You might see in the videos that when I'm driving through the neighborhood, some of the homes here in Central Phoenix, they do a thing called irrigation flooding, and so you'll kind of see like the styles of the front yards are kind of built in a little bit, and so they kind of go like a little bowl per se. So they do irrigation flooding here, and that basically they put 2 to 3 inches of water, let that soak down, and they have a theory that that helps the trees and the grass and the roots and water a little bit stronger than if you have like a normal irrigation system. So you'll see in Central Phoenix, a lot of the homes do have large trees. A lot of the homes you'll see that they'll have like little swings out front on the big trees that are in the front yards. Other parts of Phoenix don't have that. Again, different style, different vibe. It's part of what I love about Central Phoenix.